Bob, you start the show like you do every day. You ask your members, how was your week?
Yes.
And then so tell, oh my baby, it's not. I was fighting with snot. I wanna hover. And then you ask Kula, no, Bazo Paul, and ask everyone. And then you ask Mbangele. But this is what Mbangele said. Hey, bro, wait. No, this is what he said. He said, I had a good week, man. Hey, my brother was hit by a car. I'm like, hey. What's good about your brother being hit? Abantu bama voice kanje yabona sachayisa imotivela ngina yona voice enkulu ngathi ngangishayisa la. Mame just goes oh nicely. Nicely. Why was that traffic important? Ufuna ukuwina award bheka the first day afika nje traffic flight BA who cares? Who cares, man? Who cares? We're driving cars. Flight BA that was supposed to land at 8 is going to land at 0.5%. What's nanda, but and the flight is a Port Elizabeth. I say, what is Mbangele doing? They are waiting you for and train 734. Hey, those who are using train 734. It's not coming today. Who cares about your traffic? I was telling traffic right, yes, flight PA that is supposed to be in Port Elizabeth at 8:30. I'm a I had a bad dream. Oh. This true story. I had a bad dream, and the magic scene, like some 4 guys are chasing me, carrying XCZ. I'm running. About Tujula. Now I see my friends at the corner there. 3 of my friends. I'm like, ala. 4 on 4 is Sugi. Yeah. So I'm like, gents, my friends are like, yeah, back live, yeah, pa. I'm like, these stupid friends of mine. I leave them there. I'm running, but now these guys have catch up. Now I see this big bus. You know those buses that go to Mozambique. So I'm like, I'm gonna go into this bus and I'm safe. Yeah. But now, before I could just go into the bus, this guy's bang. And then I woke up. I'm like, hey, what if abang bambanga ngangena ebhasini ngathola sengise Mozambique angina passport angina mphako ngihlela ebhasini iyangibheka la mina imishaya nithi nizome chisa gethi.
Scuba, there's someone on the line that you need to talk to.
Ebra Polen.
Yo baba.
Bunjani Khotman lam?
Yeah, ngiyabonga bracket.
Bekithi nje yazi sikhaya FM sithi nje happy birthday sazuthena 73 vandag. Ikhotman idali kora ngenhloko. Hey uyakora ngenhloko bra Polen. Maybe nakwakho imiri yakho nokuthi yazi namhlanje ngilala nje yazi ngizakuhate wena. Polen dlanyu hate yonke into eDavidton bayamazi. Itext uyimisa ngenhloko ubheka phansi. Polen dlanyu beka kora ngenhloko no baba lona. I even causes I'm sign usign ngenhloko ndibe. Beka le ball panic la madress ukubona something. Shabunani Raporel.
Mache.
Thank you very much you guys.
Yeah man, thank you very much man. Yazi uskorela kule country yazi wakora wa celebrate wakhumula iskipha ngelinye ilanga kanti ukhohle ukuthi ufake ivest encane ngaphansi akhumbula.
And a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paula.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Uphela iplayer engilazela yenza ihairstyle ebathi interpret.
Say my gents, happy birthday for you to enjoy it, and may you come back to football in one way or another.
Angeke. Sapra Polen ube grand.
Thank you guys man. Thank you guys.
La khona uspina ngenhloko phansithi. Le khona beyikora ngenhloko. Upolen dlanya. Upolen bekayenza esinye style sombe ngathi ama double cabanga ubaba umdala una 3 abantwana wenza ama double.
are you going to pay, bro? I know you drive a car.
Hayi, why uCyril Ramaphosa makayenza la announcement angayenzela la eGauteng ahamba eCape Town let's day.
Yeah.
Like that. Hey bazasihlupha la eduzane. Bangashisa nokushisa yabaza abakhanda abasebenzi. Cape Town ebalungwini.
That's true,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah, akayenzelanga la and bathathe bonke everyone Minister of Transport asiflying. Siyabalungwini sobatshela. Babe balungwini batshela thina bodwa. Mina ngeke ngikhona. Bathi bazoyilinka nani? Ne disc.
Yeah.
Hayi ke disc ke sisazoyenza fake la lokushini. Asenza umdubulo. ObuSyril Ramaphosa sibavotela. Khona manje bathengisa amabheka la banama shares emabhekeni. Bathi thatha imali thina prof. Yahlusha prof. Awungitshela ngapha ubhatalela umthelo. Ngapha imali yesupport. Ngapha uyadliwa weekend abantu ngapha ugogo wakho nayifuna imali yomholiswana ngapha i-toll awwa hayi ngapha imali yomholo hayi iningi le mali prof ngapha usahlele endlini umuntu wakho baby uprek kanjani uprek kanjani ama i-toll angaka I'm making indaba ama i-toll i-excuse yonke into uprek i-toll yasigogo amakana mali akana mali kanjani phela i-toll imile kumanje angilalanga endlini and then when hey ngisaba ama i-toll beng round ngale round ngalo kusakuthela sini ufuna ukuzela phambi i-toll yazi mali ukudlula tip yachoka lento ngithi akakwazi ukudrive akazi ukukhuluma ngalo mawudlula phansi kwe-i-toll ithi tip yachoka lento yini ngokuthi ngishone or ngifela phansi kwe-i-toll or ngifika la endlini ngcono uma ufikile baby imida imidoma izazi izinto lezi endlini baby ngibamba ngithi angikho right ithini hey ngidlule phansi kwe-i-toll Chero selection abayazi i-toll yazi ngikhona ibhadala imali ye-maintenance this month one uthi why amzange uCyril i-toll ibhadalile yazi understand yazi fanele ngithathe igazi for i-toll angeke ngivuma ngeke amane ngifa ngithatha magazi wama i-toll abazi i-toll lokushini phela kazi sirounda la yonke into la maqala phuma sekuba nje la yabazi umuntu akazi sekuba nje ngiyini into ezingalala endlini lento lezi bheka khula belungu phela bheka belungu phela ungadlula wena and mongana matric iba weske mongana matric i-toll ikwenza west serious wathi yabona sengiboshiwe sebathi kimi yini i-toll ngithi nyozela mina
Evan, Alampuze, are people still giving away 21st birthday keys, the golden ones?
The key itself physically?
Yeah.
Yo, I haven't seen
No,
that.
I had a 21st. I didn't.
Yeah, guys, I need you guys. You see, that's a difference. You guys are from the suburbs. I'm a suburbs. Guys, back niggas care about. I say chike ungalala endlini ngalento. Tamzathu usibambile yonke le minyaka. Bamba. Singabona abanye abafana sazoyi1. Sazilo. uFilimon. Umbana nje hamba ngama crashes.
And yeah, there's quite a few to see there. Follow me on Instagram at @mabenabob. That's where you find those videos. And I find you one as well as
I saw you do this week. What did they do to you?
flower. No, I love flowers. It should be a good thing.
Funky flower black. You know my poet blackish. Ufana lamntana beka la izolo lo phethe. Hey, lamntana utop leyana. Yeah, no. Lamntana noma bamshela zobamdala zobathi nation. That's our point. Before khuluma la ufuna ukushaya akake ujoin le mashila ngeke uthi hello le but brother you brokenness is unbelievable that a man can be this big and broke ngaja bona ule mashila shela umzakhe embulo uzalana Thandi unokunda impandla le mashini thandi impandla yakho ipani ya shining star yazi phela zakhe labo hlangana ngkhona ngishaya ngempama wozalana ntwana wozalana yazi uyangishwayela uyangidina ukwaza knife fucking knife in man Bob hlangana ngithi ibraka Bob bahlangana baba lapha na ku KFM wine and malt whiskey affair la Bob Bob Landwana sikhumba sugar oba yeni Ya papa, ya speeder. Ayina break. Ishota ngama brake pads. Ukulu yahleka and laughing. It's a laughter. Nani is an affair.
No, that kid was special. Man.
That kid is special. Top. Awutshela laba ba strikeayo yazi umuntu ose MTN.
The MTN. Yeah.
Abazi ba strikeelana. Abazi ba strike. Ifuna airtime nani. Nama data. Because every time they strike, there's always gonna. I always say SABC will interview abantu relevant. ETV will interview laba afane bakhuluma. Laba mama laba ngathi laba basenze kitchen. Laba abete siya strike. Siya strike. Ifona yakho kokuqala ina camera. Siya strike. Ni strikeela nakaziwa. Si strikeela ubuze lo munye. Mabel, but si strikeela. Amadata ne increase yani your airtime
no
abazi ba strikeelana akekho umuntu ozi siya strike siya striking angeke kuma nje angeke iNTM ubiza wrong ubiza ngabe ucela ngabe ngabathi iNTM yes Rob
that's so true.
Asinama beneficiaries kumanje asinama beneficiaries akazizi yakhuluma asinama beneficiaries ngitshela uyafika endlini uyaqoqoda umama usiphathele ngiphethe idatha sa strike until ninangazi bathi nini Mabel khathele phela mkhona isigijima ayingeke ba round endaweni eyi1 ba round egijima bathi ba strikeelani eziningi ezenzakalele bathi uBin Laden ubhala ama love letter to umuntu wakhe ngani ngen grenade bamba athi ayibona ivule hand grenade phela lalela ubra Bob DJ unokuthola ama gift na yonke into ofika endlini athi shula bamba like you like me uBin Laden uromantic yani romantic uBin Laden ngena ne AK right right no Sipapomile Baba bantwana hey wozani ngapha nama bullet banika ama bullet
Fake bondi
I'll tell you